entirely for and with what I love best on earth. I hold myself supremely blessed, blessed beyond what language can express, because I am my husband's life as fully as he is mine.
Kate, I give you this ring as a gift. Wear it and think of me and know that I love you.
It does give me great pleasure to declare that you are now lawfully husband and wife, and you may kiss your handsome husband.
May your future hold your happiness. May the future hold your health. May your heart hold your love, and your arms your babies yet to come. Here's to your future happiness together, the bride and groom. Wana, wana, wana.